Hello everyone, my name is Crumpy. We're from MEDSAT team. Yeah. We would like to thank our customers. Thanks for the challenging and interesting project you gave us. And thanks for your support throughout the development process. Yeah, our project is about to change the retail experience of our customers. Let us show it to you through a software theater. Okay.
Once upon a time, in the mystical land of Garhing, there was this evil queen. Although she was just a humble bookseller in the beginning, she turned into an evil queen who dominates the whole magical land as an online retailer.
Magic mirror in my hand. Who is the best online retailer in the land?
My queen, you are the best online retailer in the land.
Magic mirror in my hand. Who has the best voice assistant in the land?
My queen, you have a great voice assistant indeed. But hold on, what do I see? Snow White is about to build the voice of retail, which might even become better than yours.
No, I can't let this happen.
Meanwhile, Snow White and dwarves are having some quality time together.
Holy moly, I went to the MediaMarkt store today and they didn't have the latest PlayStation console in stock.
Did you check the availability on the internet before?
No, I haven't had time. I was mining bitcoins in the mine all day and then I was riding back home on my donkey.
Oh, okay. But it's nothing compared to my problem. I wasn't at home yesterday and couldn't get my MediaMarkt delivery. So I have to wait until next week.
I guess life would be way easier if the MediaMarkt app would have a voice assistant that could help us with the delivery process.
Guys, I have an idea. What if we develop an app that will solve all your problems? In this case, our app can be a voice assistant, and voice assistant can easily get availability, delivery status, and promotions of product. What would you say?
That's brilliant. Let's do this.
Let's build this.
After a hard day's work, dwarves are falling asleep. So let's get back to the queen. Let's see what she's up to.
I have the best voice assistant. No one can have a better one. So if Snow White built this voice of retail, nobody will use my online services. I have to do something about it. I think I'll brew a poison for her. I'll add a lot of SiriKit domain restrictions, then some voice recognition issues, and just a little bit of server downtimes at the weekend, you might note. Then, so.
Meanwhile, Snow White is struggling with the development all alone.
Oh no, this voice recognition and natural language thing seems so complicated. There's lots of things to learn and too many frameworks to choose from. I think I better stick to the Apple's official solution, SiriKit. I bet it's easy to use and compact.
My poor naive Snow White. She doesn't know that SiriKit is very domain specific. SiriKit has only these ready functions for these domains exactly, and it doesn't allow any customizations. For example, a fitness app can use these functions to start, pause, or stop a workout, but she cannot use these because she is not in these domains.
Hello, my dear. I have a shiny SiriKit apple for you. I heard you've been looking for it. Wanna try?
Oh, what a lovely shiny apple. Thank you. I've been looking for this. I've heard that SiriKit parses all the data for you, and the developer just gets the import values they can work with. Thanks again.
Don't eat Snow White.
No one can have a better voice assistant than me.
Oh, I hear the dwarves are waking up. What are they going to do?
Snow White? Snow White, what happened to you? Wake up!
Stop asking dumb questions, you fool! She's obviously poisoned by the evil witch!
That damn witch!
Oh, it smells like, oh my head. Oh, it smells like SiriKit domain issues. Oh, it smells also like a little bit of voice recognition problem. Oh, server downtimes, not good, not good.
But we need her for development. I had some merge conflicts, only she can resolve.
Let's Google for help.
So they find Prince API AI. API AI is the master of natural language processing, and he's responsible for human-computer interaction. For those of you who are more interested, you can Google it yourselves, just like the dwarves did.
Hello, Mr. Prince?
Hello?
It's an emergency. Someone poisoned our lovely Snow White.
Have you tried to turn it off and on again?
Yes, yes.
Dan, this is serious business. Hold on, I'm right on my way.
Prince saw similar situations before, and he knew the exact solution.
She doesn't even have the correct natural language processor. I have a solution for that. Importing API.ai library. Oh, come on.
So let me explain how this works. Our user's speech input is sent to Apple servers for speech recognition, and the received text response is sent to API AI. API AI extracts the relevant information and makes requests to the fulfillment server, and servers processes the data and sends it back through webhook.
And it just works?
Oh, how long was I asleep? I have the worst hangover. Is our app ready?
Yes, the Prince helped us, and now it's ready to use.
Wait a second. Hi, handsome. Who are you?
Hi, my love. I am just Prince API.ai. I just saved your life.
Okay, I will take care of you. I want to say sorry real quick.
It is love at first sight.
Hello?
Hallo, wie kann ich dir helfen?
It's really working. I ordered something off MEDSAT website last week. I'm gonna check its status. Wo ist meine Bestellung?
Voraussichtlicher Liefertermin lautet Freitag, 28. Juli 2017. Dein Paket ist auf dem Weg.
Wow, guys, now we have working voice assistant. Let's celebrate this by do you want something like PlayStation 4? So that we can enjoy it together, right? Cool. Ich will eine PlayStation 4 Pro kaufen.
Hier ist das Ergebnis. PlayStation 4 Spielkonsole Pro 1 TB. Willst du mehr Informationen über das Produkt sehen?
Yeah, I want more information about the product. Ja.
Hier ist das Produkt.
Oh, it's too expensive for me. I better ask for the deal of the day. Maybe it's cheaper. Was ist der Schnapp des Tages?
Schnapp des Tages ist Xbox One S 500 GB Spielkonsole für 223,20 € anstelle von 279 €. Willst du mehr Informationen über das Produkt sehen?
Yeah, it's actually cheaper. Ja.
Hier ist das Produkt.
Okay, cool. Now I will add it to wishlist. And I will check the availability of it. Actually, it's available here nearby in this store.
Oh, honey, you know, I know this place. It's not that far away. Come on, I'll
Okay,
take you
let's
over.
go then. I don't need this anymore.
As we see, Snow White and Dwarves have developed the app. Let's check our status update. After the design review, we successfully integrated Apple's own speech recognition API, which is also used by Siri. We integrated API AI for our natural language processing. And also, we redesigned our user interface for more suitable voice interaction.
Snow White is in love with the stupid prince. She doesn't care about us anymore. But I have some technical issues. Who's able to help me with them now? Kannst du mir helfen?
Es tut mir leid, dass du ein Problem hast. Möchtest du, dass dich das Mediamarkt Service Team kontaktiert?
Ja.
Einer unserer Technikmitarbeiter wird sich in Kürze mit dir in Verbindung setzen. Vielen Dank für deine Geduld.
We still don't know what happened between Prince and Snow White, but these two dwarves played games happily ever after. The end. So our customer, does she have any questions?
Hi. Super, sehr, sehr cool. Und wie ihr ja wisst, ich bin ja schon ganz begeistert. Und ich würde mich wahrscheinlich freuen zu wissen, was insgesamt denn für euch das Schwierigste war. Denn wir haben ja schon darüber gesprochen, wenn wir das weiterentwickeln wollen, ist das ja nicht so ganz einfach. Und damit wir, sage ich mal, richtig ansetzen, das ist natürlich super interessant zu wissen, was wirklich die größte Herausforderung ist, um das nach vorne zu bringen.
So, just as a short translation, the question is, what was the main issue for us and how do we want to tackle this one in the future? And I think one of the main issues was just that there are a lot of product names that are hard to pronounce, and there are a lot of libraries that are able to speak them in natural words, in natural language, but washing machines and a lot of PlayStations, they have names that are not really easy to pronounce, and that's why the product database is missing that kind of information. And it would be nice if that would be available in the future, or if there would be a really, really smart library that would be able to pronounce them anyway.